Danke bafethu. So kuphuma ama-reports about uThembi Nkosi Lodge laphana eCasablanca ukuthi i-team njengoba uku-loan laphana ku-team uku-loan from iMamelodi Sundowns, so bekajoyinile just for 6 months loan, but-ke ama-performances wakhe mahle kakhulu laphana kuCasablanca. So kuvela ama-reports-ke kuthiwa i-team iyafuna ngempela ukumsayina uThembi Nkosi permanent ngoba-ke unama-man of the match this month-ke uwine i-player of the month, cabanga win i-player of the month award. Kuthiwa uLodge i-ability yakhe yokudrebula yakwazi ukuphuma kuma-tight spaces against ama-defender nanokuthi uyakwazi ukushaya amagoli. Bathanda-ke umsebenzi wakhe omuhle nanokuthi usebenza kanzima, uyakwazi ukulwela i-team even noma benganalo ibhola, yabona i-leadership skill yakhe ne-mentality bathanda lokho. Kuthiwa-ke next week bazozama ukuqala ukunegotiate neMamelodi Sundowns for i-possible transfer for uThembi Nkosi Lodge ukuthi umfana ajoyine permanent laphana i-team yaseCasablanca. Wenza kahle kakhulu. Sikhumbule ukuthi uLodge kuMamelodi Sundowns waba nama-injuries, but-ke after wonke lawo ma-injury abanawo, kusho ukuthi i-stay sakhe sakuMamelodi Sundowns azange sibe stable overall because iMamelodi Sundowns ine-squad esikhulu. Bekubonakala ngathi uThembi Nkosi Lodge kuMamelodi Sundowns uyi-second option, yabo. So it is very very tricky ukuthi uLodge mhlawumbe uzohamba. Kuyobonakala nanokuthi bazodlala kanjani, nanokuthi ama-negotiations wabo azohamba kanjani because ama-league ayaphela very soon. So uLodge wenza kahle kakhulu lapha eCasablanca. I think mina it was a good movie for uLodge ukuthi uLodge ukuthi amuve from Mamelodi Sundowns asuke la eSouth Africa, asuke ku-comfort zone yakhe. Phela eSouth Africa urelaxe kakhulu, uyazi ukuthi izinto zi-easy for yena njengoThembi Nkosi Lodge, you understand. So it's very easy for yena ukuthi athole ama-spaces like urelaxile uLodge, like uyazi ukuthi uzoyithola i-team, uzowathola ama-chance okudlala, but-ke njengoba le Casablanca usebenza kanzima and you could see ukuthi uLodge super talented, i-work rate yakhe siyayazi, talent lakhe siyalazi, ukuthi aye eCasablanca kumsize kakhulu lokho, yabo, ukuthi asuke phambi kwalezi zinto lezi azijwayele, asuke phambi kwabangani bakhe ayozi-challenger le ku-different team. Ulande uRhulani Mokoena akasekho-ke eteamini, but still i-team iyabonisa i-interest ukuthi hayi lo mfana lo nzima kakhulu, bayafuna ukumgcina uLodge beyond the season. So sobona akusuLodge kuphela by the way odlala lapha, ikhona lenye i-South African football player elidlala lapha ekuthiwa uMailula. uMailula-ke naye ukuloni from i-team yakhe yaku-MLS i-Toronto FC. So bona ukuthi umfana kakhulunywa ngayo ukuthi bafuna ukumgcina uMailula, but uMailula kunama-rumor vele we-Kaizer Chiefs, kunama-rumor wase-Europe. So uMailula ngaya kuma-teams a-different imesuka lapha kuCasablanca ngoba naye umfana unama-impressive performances ngempela lapha, yabo. So le move le kaLodge noMailula bowu-2 ngempela, lama-move lawa abasizile ukuthi bahambe bodlala lena eMorocco. So I think kumele sibonge ubani ucoach Rhulani Mokoena ngokunika abafana ithuba lokuthi basuke la eSouth Africa, especially uThembi Nkosi Lodge ngempela ukuthi asuke eSouth Africa ayozi-challenger against amanye ama-players around the continent. So I think uLodge kumele ayithathe ngempela le chance lokuthi adlale iCasablanca because I don't see him adlala kuMamelodi Sundowns, yabo. I don't, because it's a different ball game. Nanokuthi-ke phela siyezamiwe uLodge kuMamelodi Sundowns, but still akadlali because i-team i-highly competitive, yabo. Yeah, i-highly competitive kuMamelodi Sundowns, maybe nanokuthi i-style of play sakhona akasimithi, so it is gonna be intriguing to see, but ngimfisela inhlanhla uThembi Nkosi Lodge going forward. Ngiyathemba ukuthi bazoyithola i-way forward nanokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns if ayisamdingi cause le team le adlala kuyo mnakhona iya ku-Club World Cup, so banama-plans nanokuthi uThembi Nkosi Lodge adlale i-Club World Cup njengoba sibonile iy'thombe zakaThembi Nkosi Lodge ashutha laphana ne-cup le-Club World Cup njengoba belishaya i-tour lapha e-countryni yase-Morocco. So uLodge nawe unazo iy'thombe, bayafuna ngempela ukuthi lama-2 South African players aye ku-Club World Cup, yabo. So shout out to Thembi Nkosi Lodge, ngifisela inhlanhla boy. Mamelodi Sundowns neCasablanca kumele ba-reach i-deal e-benefit i-player. If yena uLodge uyafuna ukuhlala lapha akahlale, if maybe ufuna ukubuya eSouth Africa aze kwamanye ama-team, but obviously kumele avumelane neMamelodi Sundowns nanokuthi imnike i-chance iMamelodi Sundowns ithi hamba mfana, because ama-rights kaThembi Nkosi Lodge i-clearance kuMamelodi Sundowns, iMamelodi Sundowns kumele imnike iy'khiye zokuthi akwazi ukujoyina iCasablanca. But ngiyajabula ukubona uThembi Nkosi Lodge aphefuma kanje because siyamazi umfana ukuthi super talented kangakanani. Just ukuthi italent lakhe bekungathi seliyaphela nkosi yami, ngoba kunzima phela ukudlala kuMamelodi Sundowns. Italent kuphela likusebenzele, kumele usebenze kanzima as iplayer ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala laphana eTlorikop. Danko bafowethu.